In my previous video, I showed you how to configure your Samba media server and also how to access it on Windows. Today, I'm taking it to a next level for Android users. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to connect to your media server using my Files app on Samsung, a universal file manager app for all Android devices, and directly streaming with VLC. By the end, you'll have the perfect method tailored for your device. Let's get started. For Samsung users, open My Files, go to Network Storage and tap the plus icon at the top. Select Network Drive in the option and your device will scan for available servers. If your media server appears, select it and provide the username and password. Otherwise, you will need to go through the manual option and provide the server details. Confirm that everything works fine. I'm going to create a new folder in the server and also copy a file from the server to my phone storage. Everything works smoothly. Another option for Android is using a third-party app called File Manager, which can be installed from the PlayStore. After installing it, grant it with the necessary permissions and then tap on Remote. Add a remote connection and select SMB from the options. Enter your server details and you will be connected. If you would like to stream the media directly from the server, VLC Media Player is a great way of doing that. Simply open VLC, go to the Browse tab and select your server under the Local Network section. And that's a wrap on accessing your Samba media server from your Android device. We went over 3 methods, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. If you are curious about expanding this setup to your smart TV, I've got a dedicated video on that coming up next. And if you missed the Windows guide, check that out too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tech tip. I'll see you in the next video.